Welcome to EPCOT, and to one of the most iconic structures in all of Walt Disney World, Spaceship Earth. As we walk in from the garden side, you're seeing the park exactly as it was meant to be experienced. Slow, immersive, full of detail, and in 360 degrees. Spaceship Earth stands 180 feet tall, weighs over 15 million pounds. And yet, did you know it's designed so that rainwater never drips on guests below? The glass structures reflect the original vision of EPCOT, a place focused on innovation, optimism, and the future. The entire entrance area was redesigned as part of EPCOT's multi-year transformation, creating what's now called World Celebration. As we curve around the base of Spaceship Earth, you really start to see and feel its scale. The sphere is made up of more than 11,000 triangular panels, each precisely aligned, and many of them hide the ride system inside. Just to the right is Pen Traders, one of the most popular pen trading spots in the park. We're now walking directly beneath Spaceship Earth, something a lot of guests that have never been to Disney World don't even know you can do. And as we come out from underneath, you'll see to the left is Project Tomorrow. It's an interactive space focused on the innovation, technology, and hands-on experiences surrounding space exploration. Over the years, this area has hosted everything from AI exhibits to transportation concepts. We're turning back now towards Project Tomorrow, as we're searching for one of EPCOT's newest additions, a lounge called Geo82. It's a lounge inspired by the original design of Spaceship Earth, offering craft cocktails, small plates, but it's surprisingly easy to walk right past. there it is. Geo 82. It's tucked away so well that we walked right past the first time. This lounge celebrates the storytelling legacy of EPCOT and with design elements inspired by the attraction that sits above us. We stopped to ask about reservations, which, like many EPCOT experiences, can fill up quickly depending on the time of day. You should use your Disney app to make these. But even if you're not going inside, it's worth pausing here to take in the atmosphere. This is a must-do location for my fellow Disney day drinkers. Heading back out towards World Celebration, you really get a sense of just how open and walkable this area has become. This redesign brought EPCOT closer to Walt Disney's original vision, a place of exploration, movement, and discovery. And ahead is a bridge leading into World Showcase, home to 11 countries, countless cuisines, and some of EPCOT's best views. This transition point is one of my favorite parts of the park. And we'll end today's walk here where local artists are creating chalk art right on the walkway. It's a small detail that adds so much personality to EPCOT. Thanks for walking with us beneath Spaceship Earth. We're going to be uploading more videos of the park, so if you enjoyed this 360-degree tour, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when we've uploaded more videos.